Hello and welcome to another episode of The Headless Cook. We don't have a huge kitchen, but it's not small either. We have an electric stove with a glass surface, which has been very interesting for me to learn how to accommodate myself to over the past 12 years or so. Butter in the wok. I would call that about 2 tablespoons. You can call it what you like. I'm putting that at medium and waiting for the butter to melt. And when the butter melts, all kinds of excitement. It's good to keep your implements handy. Melting. Ghee would also be good, which is clarified butter. Actually, that would be probably better from a nutritional standpoint. I don't know. Peanut oil. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Not peanut butter, but peanut oil could be used in the same way. Just waiting for that to melt. Melting. Room temperature here is about 74 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's warmer. Yeah, you want to watch something spectacular? Watch Lazy Chi. Don't watch this. The jeera and mustard. Usually, when you use jeera or cumin, and you put in the seeds, they will pop a little bit. These have been ground, so they're not going to be producing that. They will, if you want them to gray a bit, and the mustard seeds will start to sputter, although they may not do it so much at this temperature. Meanwhile, I'm gonna work on my pepper here. Which has finally decided to reconstitute. And this is, in fact, the most interesting thing that could be seen in the kitchen right now, but I'm not showing it. So you'll just have to manage that, knowing exactly what's happening over here. But just to suggest to you, that's the result. Don't handle hot peppers with your bare hands, kids. glass top stoves do present a bit of a difficulty with a wok, even one that's got a flat bottom. I would imagine that it would be the same with karais. A karai, as far as I'm concerned, a karai is a wok that's got a thicker body. It's made out of slightly different metal. So, I'm waiting for the mustard to start to sputter, which is my indication that it's time to go. Time to go on to the next step. Why, what could that be? Why, the next step is the aspetida, or hing, or devil's dung, if you read Gnomes by Portfleet. Now we're getting good sound of mustard popping. It's mustard popping. That's a nice, cozy sort of sound.
No way, I'm not putting AC on tonight. Not yet, but yeah. Actually, maybe should I open the window? Should I open the house? Because it's cool out.
Is it?
Yeah. I mean, I've been blowing out there, and it, you know, it was cool or something out there, and then
Going to put in a little bit of this. So I'm talking to the machine.
fantabulous. Game of Thrones this evening.
Just please.
Meow. Hummus, petrones.
Say what?
Hummus, petrones.
I don't know what that means.
Game of Thrones.
I guess I could have put all the other in here too.
What's other?
I think I will.
What you talking about?